Welcome back, scholars. How are you all? I hope all of you are fit and fine at home. And I hope you all have revised the previous chapter and have also completed the worksheets and assignments being given to you.
So, scholars, let's continue with chapter number 2. And the name of the chapter is Addition. And this is the last part of this chapter, that is part 3. In part 3, we are going to cover the following topics: adding 3 two-digit numbers with regrouping, check your addition, and story sums. So, let's begin with the first topic, which is adding 3 two-digit numbers with regrouping. So, scholars, here we will learn adding 3 two-digit numbers with regrouping. So, just see the example given here on page number 35. A rose garden had 35 red rose bushes, 28 pink rose bushes, and 24 yellow rose bushes. How many rose bushes were there in all? Simply, we need to add them all. But before adding, first we need to arrange them according to the place value. So this is an example. So here numbers are already arranged. See, 35 red rose bushes are there, 28 pink rose bushes are there, and 24 yellow rose bushes are there. It's already arranged. Now simply we need to start with step number 1, which says add the ones. Okay, so the numbers that are given in ones column are 5, 8 and 4. Just see these pictures given here. The red pictures represents the tens and these green pictures represents the ones. So first step, we need to add the ones. So count how many are there. First 5 are there. We'll count forward from 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So the answer that we got here is 17. So as I told, we will not write 17 together in the ones column. From the 17, the 7 will be written in the ones column and this 1 will go carry to the tens column. Just see, it's written here. This is the tens side. 1 has been given carryover. Now moving on to the step number 2. It says add the tens. So what are the numbers given in the tens column? Before it was given 3, 2 and 2. And the one which we got carryover, don't forget to add that also. So when we add them all together, we get 8. So we will write 8 in the tens column. So the answer becomes there were 87 rose bushes in all. So this is the way how we add 3 two-digit numbers with regrouping. So scholars, now we will do exercise 2E given on page number 36, which is almost related to this topic. So the first question is regroup and add. The numbers are already arranged here. We just need to add them and write the answer. So first mark, which is the ones column and tens column, as it makes easy for you to add. So this is the ones column and this is the tens column. What does the first step says? Add the ones. So we need to start adding from the ones. So just see the numbers that are given here in ones column. 3, 6, 9. Scholars, you can count on your fingers also, or you can use a number strip to count. Okay, so as I have taught you three ways how to add these numbers. One was look for the tens first, Then the second step was you can add in any order or circle the doubles first. It makes adding easier. So which method we are going to use here is, just see, look for the tens. There are no tens here. Look for the doubles. There are no doubles here. So the third step only is left, which says add in any order. Okay, so 3 plus 6 plus 9. When we count, it gives 18. So 18, as I told you, 8 will be written in the ones column and this 1 will go carry to the tens column. Now we move on to the second step, which says add the tens. So the numbers that are given here in tens side are 2, 4, 2 and 1, which we just now got carry over. So now add together. All the numbers add together. 1, 2, 4 and 2. Total we got 1 plus 2 gives 3. 3 plus 4, 7 and 7 plus 2, 9. So we will write 9 in the tens column. This is the way how we do these sums. You need to regroup the number, okay? Okay, moving on to the next question. Again, this is the ones column and this is the tens column. Numbers that are given here in ones column are 4, 4 and 4. So we can choose one method, like here doubles are there, so I'm going to choose that method. Look for the doubles. So see, 4 and 4 I will add together. So 4 plus 4 is 8. And what is the remaining number? 4. So 8 plus 4 is equals to 12. So first we need to regroup 12. So 12, 2 will be written here and this 1 will go carry to the tens column. As I told you, don't forget to add the carry over 1. Otherwise your answer will come wrong. So now 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4 and 4 plus 5, 9. So we will write 9 in the tens column. Okay, now we'll do E. This is the ones column and this is the tens column. What are the numbers given here? 5, 6 and 3. You can choose any method. I'm simply adding it, but now you know how to add using those methods, okay? So 5 plus 6 plus 3. 5 plus 6 is 11 and 11 plus 3, 12, 13, 14. So answer is 14. We will regroup 14. 4 will be written in the ones column and 1 will go carry to the tens column. Now 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. How much? 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So we will write 8 in the tens column. Okay. Moving on to the next question. This is the ones column. This is the tens column. These all questions are now same. You have to do the same method. So now we will do this last one and the rest you can try it out at home as homework. Okay. So what are the numbers given in ones column? 1, 8 and 9. See here, 1 and 9. When we add them, it gives 10. So which method we are applying here? Look for the tens. So when we add 1 and 9, it gives 10. So 10 plus 8, the remaining number, 18. So we will write 8 in the ones column and 1 will go carry to the tens column. Now second step, add the tens. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Here also doubles are given, okay? You can use any method. Okay. Now, scholars, I would like all of you to do this remaining sums at home as homework. And I am going to give this as homework in the worksheet. So this will be your homework. Now we move on to the next question. Papayas grow in groups on the top portion of a papaya tree. One tree has 9, another tree has 6, and the third has 5 papayas. How many papayas are there in all? So, first we need to arrange these numbers. A column is given here. This is the ones side and this is the tens column. First we need to arrange them. And see, all the numbers are one digit number. So we will arrange all the numbers in ones column, okay? Okay, so let's arrange them first and then we will add. Because they are asking total how many papayas are there. That means we need to add. Okay, so the first tree has 9 papayas. So we will write 9. Second tree has 6 papayas. So we will write 6 just below 9. And the third tree has 5 papayas. So we will write 5 just below 6. Now we need to add these numbers. So we will apply the method. First method is look for the tens. But here it's not possible. No tens are there. Second method, look for the doubles. That is also not possible because no doubles are there. And the last method, add in any order. Okay. So the first we will take the bigger number 9. And from 9 we will count, we will move forward to 6 because we need to add 6. Okay. So let's do that. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now from 15, again we will move forward to 5 because we have to add 5 more. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we got the answer 20. So we will regroup it first. The 0 will be written in the ones column and 2 will go carry to the tens column. Now second step says add the tens. And don't forget to put the plus sign in this box because we are adding it. So now we will add the tens. But see, only 2 is there in the tens column which we have just now given carry. Nothing else is there. So that 2 will simply come down. So the answer becomes 20. So 20 papayas in all. Okay, scholars? Okay, next question, third one. In a medicinal tree and plants garden, there are 15 neem trees, 18 tulsi plants and 17 amla trees. How many trees and plants in all? Okay, so first we need to arrange these numbers according to the place value. This is the ones column and this is the tens column. All the numbers are 2-digit numbers. So simply we need to arrange them. Okay, 15 neem tree, 1, 5. 18 tulsi plants, 1, 8. 17 amla tree, so 1 and 7. So we need to find the total trees and plants. So we are adding it. That means plus sign. Now step 1, start from the ones. There are no tens. There are no doubles. Simply we need to add them all. Which is the bigger number? 8. Starting from 8, first we will count forward to 7. Okay. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we need to count 5 more. So from 15 we will move forward to 5. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Again we got the answer 20. But we will regroup it first. So 0 will be written in the ones column and 2 will go carry to the tens column. Now see, second step we need to add the tens. So here already numbers are there and the 2 which we got carry over. So now add them together. 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. 50. So, the answer that we got is 50 trees and plants in all. Now, we move on to a new topic, that is check your addition. On page number 37. Here, we will learn how to check our addition, whether we have done it right or wrong. Since you can add in any order and still get the same answer, you can add in one direction and check by adding in the other. It's a very simple way. The way in which you are adding the number, just do the opposite of it and you will get it. The answer comes the same. That means your answer is correct. Like, see this example given here. 28 and 35. We need to add them. So 8 plus 5 is how much? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the answer is 13. So we have written 3 in the ones column and 1 we have given carry over to the tens column. Now when we add the tens, we will get 6. So the answer that we got is 63. Now we need to check our answer whether it's right or wrong. So first we have added this way. That means 8 plus 5. Now we will add in the other way. That means 5 plus 8. And if the answer comes same, that means our answer is correct. 8 plus 5 was 13. Now 5 plus 8 is how much? 13 only. We have written 3 here and this 1 will give carry to the tens column. Now add all the numbers given in the tens. 1 plus 2 plus 3 will get 6. So see, answer is same. 63, 63. If you add this way or this way, both answer is coming same. That means your addition is correct. So this is the way how you check your additions. Now we will do this exercise given here. Exercise 2F. Add down. Check your answer by adding up. So first we need to add them as we are doing it. And then we need to check our answer. And we need to write it up on this box given here. Okay, let's begin with the first one. First step is we need to add the ones column. So in the ones column, 7 and 6 are given. So 7 plus 6 is how much? Just take the bigger number and move forward to as much number you have to add. Like you have to add 6. So move forward to 6. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we will regroup it. 13, 3 will be written here. 1 will be given carry over to 10 side. Now add the tens column. 1 plus 3 plus 2 will give 63. 6. Okay, so we will written 63. Now we need to check our answer. So just now we have added this way. To check our answer, we will add this way. Okay, now we will add 6 plus 7. So again 6 plus 7 gives 13 only. So we will write 3 here and 1 will go carry to the tens column. Now just add the numbers that are given in tens column. 3 plus 2 plus 1. 6. So we will write 6 here. Just see the answer. 63, 63. That means our answer is correct. This is the way how we check the answer. Okay, moving on to the next one now. First we will add in this way. 2 plus 7 is how much? 9. So we will write 9 here. Now, moving on to the tens column. 5 plus 4 is 9 only. Now, to check our answer, just now we have added this way. Now we will add in this direction. Okay. 7 plus 2 is 9. And 4 plus 5 is 9. Just see the answer. Both are same. That means answer is correct. Okay. Now we move on to next one. First, we will add in this direction. 7 plus 4 is how much? You can move forward to 4, okay, after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11. So we will write, here we need to regroup it, okay. So 1 will be written in the ones column and this 1 will go carry to the tens column. Now add the tens. 6, 7, 8 and 9. So answer is 91. Now let's check answer. So now we will add in this direction. 4 plus 7 is how much? 11. So we will write 1 here and this 1 will go carry to the tens sides. 1 is already written here. See, okay. Now 2 plus 6 plus 1. How much? 9. So see, our answer is correct. 91 and 91. Now we'll try this 3-digit number now. Okay. What is the number given here? 6, 2 and 9. So first we will add in this direction. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. So 17 we will regroup it. 7 will be written in the ones column and 1 will go carry to the tens column. Now we will add the tens. 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2. So 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we will check our answer. So we will add in this way. 9 plus 2 plus 6. So 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 6, 17. So 7 we will write here and this 1 will go carry to the tens column. Now we will add the tens. 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1. How much? 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. See, the answer again came the same. That means our answer is correct. Now we will try this one. And the remaining you will do it as homework. 9 plus 6 plus 3. Okay, 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 3, 18. So we will regroup 18. 8 will be written in the ones column and 1 will go carry to the tens column. Now we will add the tens. 1 plus 1, see the doubles are there. 1 plus 1 is, you can add this first. 2, 2 plus 5, 7. So the answer is 78. And if the answer comes 78 above also, that means the answer is correct. So now we will add in this direction. 3 plus 6 is how much? 9. And 9 plus 9, 18. We have learned double numbers now. 18. 8. We will write here. 1 will go carry to the tens column. See, it is already written, so I am not writing it again. Now we have to add the tens. So we will add in this direction. Upside. We'll go upside. Upstairs side. 5 plus 1 plus 1. 7. So we'll write 7 here. See, answer came same. 78. 78. So this is the way how you add and check your answers. Now keep trying this remaining ones at home as homework. Now we move on to our last topic for this chapter, that is story sums. Okay, we'll start with the second one. Rishi borrowed a book on September 12th. He had to return it 14 days later. On which date did Rishi have to return the book? They are saying that Rishi borrowed a book on 12th of September and he had to return the book after 14 days. So on which date he has to return the books? So to find out that, we need to add. So first we will arrange the numbers. Okay, 12th September he borrowed the book. Then he had to return the books 14 days later. Let's add it. What is the answer? This is the ones column and this is the tens column. Always start adding with the ones side. 2 plus 4. How much? 6. Now moving on to the tens column. 1 plus 1. 2. That means he has to return the book on 26th and the month is September. So 26th September. You can write it 26th September. Okay, scholars. Moving on to the next question. On Monday, Preeti read 23 pages. On Tuesday, she read 20 more pages. Then she had read on Monday. How many pages did Preeti read on Tuesday? Okay, they are saying that Preeti on Monday she read 23 pages. Okay, and on Tuesday she read 20 more pages than Monday. So how many pages did she read on Tuesday? Okay, so for that again we need to add it. So first we will arrange the numbers. 23 on Monday and 20 pages more on Tuesday. So now let's add them. 3 plus 0. 0 added to any number will give the number itself. That means 3. And 2 plus 2 is 4. That means she read 43 pages on Tuesday. Okay, scholars? That means on Monday she read 23 pages and Tuesday she read 20 more pages than she read on Monday. That means she read 43 pages on Tuesday. Okay, scholars. Moving on to the fourth question. Arjun borrowed some books from the library. He read the first book in 11 days, the second book in 13 days, and the third book in 15 days. How many days did it take him to read all the books? Okay, so we just need to find out the total number of days it took for him to read the books. So first we need to arrange the numbers. This will be the ones column and this will be the tens column. First book he read in 11 days. Second one in 13 days. Third one in 15 days. Now let's add them and we'll find out how many days it took him to read all the 3 books. So first we will add the ones column. 1 plus 3 plus 5 is how much? 9. Now we will add the tens column. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3. So it took 39 days to read all the books. Now scholars, this last one I would like all of you to try it at home as homework. This will be your homework. So here we come to the end of this chapter, chapter number 2. Now keep revising and practicing these sums at home.
So scholars, now keep revising and practicing these at home. And all the worksheets and assignments related to this chapter is given in the link in description box. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and don't forget to wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Thank you.